Expo questions, the possible questions from LEKKI Headmaster. Of course, you know LEKKI Headmaster is the JAMB novel, and we have been on a series trying to give you questions, JAMB questions that will come out from that novel. Some of you complain that the novel is too difficult, too tiny, that you are not able to understand. If you have been following the videos we are doing on this channel, there is no way you will not score high in your use of English, because we have been serious about giving you videos, tutorials, lessons, past question and answer every day on LEKKI Headmaster and some other subjects. So let's continue. This you are watching is part 7. We have done part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you are now watching part 7. All of them are videos on LEKKI Headmaster, possible expo questions from that book. Question 171. What does the canoe dance reflect about Nigerian culture? Remember, there was a canoe dance during Mr. Beppo's graduation ceremony. A. Its resilience and richness. B. Its deep connection to history. C. Its ability to unify people. D. All of the above. The answer is all of the above. Number 172. If you watch this video from beginning to the end, you will qualify to get free JAMB syllables from me. You will also qualify to get free JAMB past questions from me. If you watch this video from here now to the end of this particular video, I'm going to give you these two materials on the 4 subjects you will be writing. I'll give them to you free of charge, because it shows me that you are serious. In our channel, our target is 300 and above in JAMB. For you to score at least 300 in your JAMB. Do you claim it? If you claim it, type I claim it in the comment section. 172. What role does the Slave Museum play in the students' education? What role does the Slave Museum play in the student education? It teaches them about the transatlantic slave trade. It emphasizes the importance of historical preservation. It connects them to the struggles of their ancestors. And D, all of the above. The answer is actually all of the above. Remember that Beppo is the school principal of Stardom School in Lekki in Lagos. Lagos is in a place called Nigeria, right? Okay, and this man has worked in this school for 24 years. Right now, he is about relocating to the United Kingdom, where his wife and 2 children are based. And he is so passionate about his job. One of the things he does for the school and his students is that he is always taking them for excursion, out on excursion, both in Badagry, in Lagos, in Ibadan, and several other places, right? Number 174. What does the Yoruba proverb used in the farewell speech symbolize? A. The endurance of wisdom through generations. B. The connection between tradition and leadership. C. The importance of patience and dedication. D. All of the above. They say here is all of the above. I'm not Yoruba, I'm Igbo, so I'm not able to understand all the Yoruba proverbs. If you have read the book LEKKI Headmaster, you will notice that there are quite a lot of Yoruba names and a lot of Yoruba proverbs. Okay. How do the cultural events in the novel inspire students? Remember, there were a lot of cultural events at Logo dance, canoe dance, a lot of cultural events in the novel. By teaching them to embrace their heritage, by helping them connect with their identity, by providing an outlet for creative expression, all of the above. The answer is all of the above. Remember that we have done several videos on LEKKI Headmaster. If you want the link, let me know. I'll share it with you free. We have done a lot of videos on use of English, past question answers, a lot, synonyms, antonyms. If you want the link, let me know and I will share them to you. We have also done videos on biology, on chemistry, on physics. We have done videos on all of this. If any of them you want me to give you the link, including mathematics, let me know and I'll share the link. Just mention them and you'll get the link from me free. That is if you watch this video from beginning to the end. What does Beppo's leadership teach about personal sacrifice? A. Remember I told you he was very dedicated. A. Through leadership, often requires putting others first. B. Sacrifice is necessary for long-term success. C. Personal comfort must sometimes be set aside for the greater good. D. All of the above. The answer is all of the above. Okay? All of the above. How does the novel? I hope you are following. Don't just watch the videos I keep dropping here just for watching sake. I want you to be serious, because my target for you and what you should claim, if you claim it, type I claim it, is 300 and above in this JAMB. 300 and above. Do you claim it? If you claim it, let me know. How does the novel portray the balance between academics and culture? Remember, in Stardom School, they are very dedicated in teaching academics, and they're also dedicated in excursion and cultural explorations. A. By showing how both are essential for personal growth, by prioritizing cultural education over academics, by emphasizing academics as the sole focus, by criticizing the inclusion of cultural events. The answer is A. They are showing both the essentials of, by showing how both are essential for personal growth. When they talk about both, they're talking about academics and culture. What overreaching lesson does the novel convey about migration? Japa. Many of you have been telling me you want to Japa. You want to leave Nigeria. If you want to leave, let me know. Do you want to Japa? Let me know. So the novel talked about Japa a lot, migrating from Nigeria to other places. Migration is not always the solution. What overreaching lesson does the novel convey about migration? A. Migration is not always the solution to challenges. B. Leaving one's home has emotional and social costs. C. Staying committed to one's mission can be more fulfilling. D. All of the above. The answer is all of the above. Are you following? 179. What impact does Bepo's mentorship have on the students? What impact does Bepo's mentorship have on the students? A. It motivates them to value education and culture. B. It instills in them a sense of responsibility. C. It prepares them to lead in their own capacities. D. All of the above. The answer is all of the above. Let me take the question again. What impact does Bepo's mentorship have on the students? I'm sure you already get the answer. 180. How does the ending of the novel summarize Bepo's legacy? The novel has about 12 chapters, and one good thing I've done for you in this Noble Tutorials YouTube channel is that I've reviewed each chapter. I've done a video chapter by chapter on this book. I brought out a video and read out chapter 1 and explained it. I brought out another video for chapter 2, chapter 3, until I did it for all the chapters. I don't think there's any other person that have done it. If you need me to share the link to all the videos on LEKKI Headmaster, let me know so that I can share it for you. How does the ending of the novel summarize Bepo's legacy? A. Through his students' continued respect for him. B. Through the cultural programs he initiated. C. Through the unity he fostered at Stardom. All of the above. The answer is all of the above. Through his students, they always respected him, the cultural programs, and unity in the school. 181. What historical lesson is emphasized through the excursion? You know, I told you they were always on excursion. What historical lesson is emphasized through the excursions? A. The importance of remembering one's roots. B. The role of history in shaping identity. C. The struggles of the past as lessons for the future. D. All of the above. The answer is all of the above. What does Bepo's approach to cultural education suggest about leadership? What does Bepo's approach to cultural education suggest about leadership? A. Leaders should value cultural heritage. B. Leadership involves teaching others about their identity. C. Effective leadership balances tradition with progress. D. All of the above. The answer is all of the above. I hope you are following. How does the novel use historical landmarks as symbols? A. To connect the characters to Nigeria's history. B. To emphasize the value of education through experience. C. To highlight the struggles of migration and displacement. The answer is D, all of the above. You know, we are approaching the end of all the videos, the questions we are doing, the 195 questions we are reviewing on LEKKI Headmaster. That is why you are seeing all of the above, all of the above. So that's why I encourage you to watch from the beginning. Watch part 1 of the Expo Questions on LEKKI Headmaster. What societal challenges does the novel associate with migration? A. Brain drain and loss of talent. B. Emotional and cultural disconnection. C. The struggles of adapting to new environment. D. All of the above. The answer is all of the above. 185. How does the novel portray the value of resilience? I've taught you in this channel, anytime we encounter a word you do not know, go over to a dictionary, maybe a dictionary in your phone, go over to Google or a physical dictionary and find out the meaning. So go over now to the comment and tell me the meaning of resilience. RESILIENCE. Tell me the meaning. How does the novel portray the value of resilience? A. By showing how people overcame challenges in leadership. B. By emphasizing the students' ability to adapt and grow. C. By connecting resilience to cultural and historical education. D. All of the above. The answer is all of the above. What was the most significant lesson Beppo left with his students? A. The importance of dedication and integrity. B. The value of embracing one's culture. C. The need to preserve, to persevere despite challenges. The answer is D. All of the above. What does the final scene of the novel suggest about leadership? Leadership is about leaving a legacy of service. B. True leaders are remembered for their impact on others. C. Leadership requires consistent dedication. The answer is D. All of the above. How did the farewell ceremony reflect Beppo's influence in the school? A. Through the cultural programs he initiated. B. Through the student emotional response. C. Through the gratitude expressed by staff and students. D. All of the above. You already know that the answer is all of the above. These are questions that JAMB will set, so let's not play or joke around with them. What role does education play in the novel's message? It is a tool for personal and societal growth. B. It connects individuals to their history and culture. C. It prepares students to face future challenges. D. All of the above. The answer is all of the above. 90. What was Beppo's greatest fear about leaving Stardom schools? A. That his mission will remain incomplete. B. That the school would lose its cultural values. D. That the students would forget his lessons. D. All of the above. All of the above. 191. What did the 10,000 naira farewell gift represent? I said 10,000 naira. It's actually $10,000. It represents A. The community's gratitude for Beppo's service. B. A symbol of his impact on Stardom schools. C. A token of appreciation from students and staff. D. All of the above. The answer is all of the above. Remember, in the farewell ceremony, they gave him a token, a gift of $10,000. Let me ask you a question. I want you to convert $10,000 to Nigerian naira in the comment section. Now, the second assignment I'm giving you in this video. Convert $10,000 to Nigerian naira, or the naira of your, or the value of $10,000 in your currency. Convert it and tell me. Why was the farewell canoe dance so emotional for Beppo? Who can tell me the full meaning, full name of Mr. Beppo? Tell me his full name. That is the third assignment. Tell me his full name in the comment. A. It represented his life's journey and cultural roots. B. It reflected the unity he brought to Stardom schools. C. It was a heartfelt tribute from his student. D. All of the above. The answer is all of the above. What overreaching theme defines Beppo's story? What theme defines the entire story? A. Leadership and legacy. B. Cultural preservation and education. C. Sacrifice and resilience. D. All of the above. You already know that the answer is all of the above. What is the ultimate message of the novel? A. Leadership involves personal sacrifice for the greater good. B. Cultural and historical education is vital for personal identity. C. True fulfillment comes from serving others. D, all of the above. The answer is all of the above. Okay. Then the last question. What did Beppo's return to Stardom School symbolize? If you read chapter 2 of the last chapter, or if you have watched the video we did on the last chapter, you will know what Beppo's return to the school symbolized. A, dedication to his mission and students. B, a rejection of migration as an easy solution. C, the triumph of passion over ambition. D, all of the above. The answer actually is all of the above. If you want me to give you free JAMB syllables, free JAMB past questions, what you need to do is like this video. Just click on like, then share this video. You need to share this video. Just click on share, copy the link and paste around on YouTube, on all the JAMB groups that you belong to. Share it also on Facebook group, all the groups where JAMB candidates are. Then subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. When you subscribe, come under this video and type I have subscribed. So like, share and subscribe. Come under this video and type I have subscribed. Once you type I have subscribed, I will chat you up and send you all the materials I promised you. So there's a video I'm leaving for you on the screen. Click on it and watch now.